Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. So I've been called out to this leak. It's a leak that couldn't wait until tomorrow. It was so urgent. Can you hear the water gushing through? Can you hear it flooding into the room? Neither can I. I can hear a drip or something somewhere. Where is it? Where's this water gushing through that couldn't wait for tomorrow? Where's this uncontainable leak? Keep looking, keep searching. It's underneath here. Oh, here it is. This is the uncontainable leak that couldn't wait until tomorrow. I mean, you can just put a container underneath this and let it wait. Someone could have done this for me. I doubt it will fill the bucket up by tomorrow. Sometimes you never know with these drips. But yeah, this is a leak I was called out for. It's not too bad. Sometimes you want to be called out for an easy leak. Sometimes you may want to get called out for a hard leak. But it's probably better to be called out for something like this rather than a massive leak on a pipe flooding out the whole building. So maybe I'll take this one as a blessing. The hardest part is probably isolating the mains. I guess I could just nip up the connection, but it's probably best to isolate and just redo the connection. Okay, I couldn't help but try to nip it up a bit. Seems to be leaking a bit quicker, so nipping it up didn't work. Looks like that was the right one. Now it's isolated. I don't know why I use my wet vac to get all that water out. Obviously I didn't need it. It's not like I'm tapping into the donut or anything at the bottom, so don't know why I did that. Maybe I just wanted to bring the wet vac out. There's just a bit of water there. Gonna change this fibre washer. Okay, got that fairly cleaned up. New fibre washer in place. Time to nip it up. Oh boy, doing this with one hand isn't easy. Okay, so that's back on more or less where it was before. Oh, and that's leaking even better than it was before. Round 2. Okay, round 3. I think I won the third round. Yeah, I was putting the fibre washer in there and it just wasn't working. Put one fibre washer in there, it wasn't having it. In the end, I put 2 fibre washers in and a little bit of, well, this is gas seal, but call it Boss White, call it what you want, Jollop. And I even went as far as getting some of my Loctite and wrapping it around the thread. Possibly it's a cross thread, but I don't have a bottom entry connection fill valve, so I have to use what I've got. I could just isolate the valve and that's contained the leak, and the room can be sold, and then there's no chance as well of a leak overfilling the container and going downstairs and flooding the room below. So, but we don't want that. So let's just double check that this is tight. Give it a little while to see if it's holding. I mean, if you look at that, it's probably a bit bent. So it may have cross-threaded at some point, and someone's had a go at trying to nip it up or fix it, and they've failed. So they called us out. But yep, that's filled up. Looks good. All right, thank you for joining me. Commercial gas engineer versus basic plumbing leak. Commercial gas engineer wins this round. I'll probably lose the next one. All right, thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye bye bye.